technology and convenience. These two things are essential in our daily lives, especially in environments like school, where students and staff often face challenge in securely storing personal items. Hi, we are Team Invalid from Sekolah Berasrama Penuh Integrasi Tun Abdul Razak, and we are excited to introduce our project, the Fingerprint Smart Lock System. This innovation combines advanced biometric technology with sustainability to create a secure, user-friendly, and eco-friendly locking solution. My name is Nur Aunia Awatif, and I am the speaker 1 of our team. Speaker 2 of our team is Nurhana Amalin. She played a crucial role in making a poster. Next, we have Mia Idina, our speaker 3. She brought amazing idea to the project, especially in making mobile apps prototype. Each of us has a unique role, but we have collaborated closely to bring this idea to life. We believe that teamwork is the key to innovation. Now that you have met our team, we are excited to present this project. Let's get started.
Traditional locker systems relying on keys or combination locks have several drawbacks, such as lost keys, forgotten codes, and unauthorized access. These issues compromise security and create frustrations for users. Our goal is to address these challenges by designing a modern solution that meets the security needs of students and staff while being convenient and sustainable.
Number 3 solution, overview of the Fingerprint Smart Lock System. Our Fingerprint Smart Lock System provides secure and innovative way to manage access. Here's how it works. Step 1. Users place their finger on the fingerprint sensor that are located on the lock. Step 2. The sensor will scan your fingerprint and converts it into digital pattern. Step 3. The system will verify your fingerprint. If the fingerprint matches, the lock will open. A green LED indicates success, while red LED signals denial. Step 4. A yellow LED will alert users to recharge the padlock using a USB-C cable or solar panel integration. And Step 5. Locks track access logs, which can be viewed through mobile apps for added accountability and security. Alignment with SDGs. Our project also supports several sustainable development goals, such as SDG 9, SDG 12, SDG 13, and SDG 16. SDG 9 introduce advanced technology for modern, sustainable security solution. SDG 12 reduce waste by eliminating traditional keys and cards. SDG 13 promotes energy-efficient technologies such as low power consumption and renewable energy integration. And SDG 16 enhance safety and accountability through secure access system and real-time monitoring. By aligning with these SDGs, our project ensures a positive environmental and societal impact.
The Fingerprint Smart Lock System is built on core values that drive innovation and inclusivity. There are 3 noble values in this innovation. Firstly, integrity. It can ensure secure and transparent access, protecting users' belongings. Next, integrity. It promotes eco-friendly practice by using recyclable materials and energy-efficient components. Lastly, respect. This innovation includes accessibility features like voice control, braille indicators, and user-friendly design for all age groups.
Imagine a world where students, staff, and even families no longer have to worry about lost keys or unauthorized access. Our Fingerprint Smart Lock System makes this a reality by offering a seamless, secure, and sustainable solution. Include visuals, demonstrate the fingerprint scanning process, showcase the mobile app interface with real-time notifications and access locks, highlight the energy-efficient design with solar panel integration. Our vision is to expand this technology beyond schools to homes, offices, and communities, fostering a safer and more sustainable future.
Number 7. Marketability and collaboration. Our target market includes schools, universities, homes, and businesses. The system is designed to meet diverse needs through scalable and customizable features. For collaboration, first, Malaysian Ministry of Education for implementation in schools. Second, local wearable tech manufacturers for cost-effective production. And third, NGOs promoting safety and sustainability for outreach and advocacy. For commercialization strategy, First, pilot testing in select schools for feedback and improvement. Second, marketing campaign highlighting security, convenience, and eco-friendliness. And third, partnership with stakeholders for widespread adoption.
Sustainability is a cornerstone of our project. The lock system uses recyclable materials and energy-efficient components to minimize waste and reduce the carbon footprint. By integrating renewable energy sources like solar panels, we align with global efforts to promote eco-friendly practices.
The Fingerprint Smart Lock System is more than just a security device. It's a commitment to innovation, sustainability, and safety.
We believe this project can revolutionize security systems and set new standards for convenience and eco-friendliness.
Join us in making our school and community safer, smarter, and more sustainable. Together, let's embrace a security and innovative future.
Thank you for your time and support.
Thank you for your time and support.
Thank you for your time and support. Bye!